ED-209.
Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. This is your host, Steve. Up next is another classic model kit review, and this is a vinyl kit from 1989. It's the ED-209 from Horizon Models, and it's a classic monster and superheroes model kit. It is in 1/9 scale, and like I was saying, this came out back in 1989 from the smash hit movie Robocop. Now it's a very large box here, and you can see the actual models 11 inches tall by Horizon Models. Turn it over, you can see there, shows it built up, scene from the movie, and then of course this is a kit number HC011. I'll open this up and we will look at the parts that are inside. I purchased this kit used, so of course the instructions are missing with this kit, and I'm sure I could probably find a set of instructions online. If anybody knows where they are, could you put it in the comments below? Let me know where those instructions are. But I'll start off this review in segments, and we'll start off with the legs of the ED-209. Now this kit is advertised as being posable, so if you've never worked with vinyl before, it's quite easy to work with as long as you heat up the parts first. You can use a blow dryer, you can soak it in hot water, and then you can take your X-Acto knife and you can cut off the extra vinyl that's not needed when you assemble this. Now there is a trademark on the bottom of this, and I hope you can read that there. And very nice detail here, very crisp for a vinyl kit. It really stands out to me, and it's something that's not really available anymore. Horizon's been out of business a long time ago, but you'll often find these available for sale by collectors on the eBay and places like that, and it can be quite expensive. I don't remember what I paid for this. Give you a close-up of the leg there. Very nice. And of course, going off the side of the feet are these pads here. There's 4 of them, so they have to be mounted to the side of the feet on both sides there. Very cool there. Very nice. I'm very impressed with that. You can see the detail. And of course, here are the arms with the guns, the weaponry that the ED-209 had. Very detailed there. That's very nice. Same with this one here, the other arm. Very detailed. Sweet. Parts of the arms there. I'll be interested to see how posable this is after it's built. And the shoulder pads go on top there. Let's look at the next grouping of parts. Here's the next group, and very detailed there. Part of the body, more parts of the arm, gears, very nice. Of course, these kits come all hollow, so it's up to you how you would like to fill them. A lot of people use the 2-part casting resin to fill these with. You could use numerous things. You could use plaster of Paris, right, to fill these with. You can use expanding foam. I wouldn't recommend this expanding foam, but people do use it. I've never tried it myself. And here's the back and front of the main body. And you can see somebody had spray painted it yellow there. I don't know why. It's still actually kind of sticky, so I have to strip that off. Actually, it's in a spot that will get cut away anyway. But look at the detail. I mean, wow. It's quite a big kit too, as compared to my hands. Very detailed there. The mesh, very cool. There he is looking at you. And then the back part of the body, very detailed there. That's a super cool. Of course, hollow inside, just like the other one. Could this be lighted? I don't know. Did it have lights on it? I have to rewatch the movie to see if there's any lights, but I'm pretty sure there's plenty of room to throw some lights into this if it requires it. Tell me down below in the comments if it's lighted or not. Very good. So like I said, I don't have the instructions. If anybody knows where I can get a copy of those online, I'd greatly appreciate it. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed the review of this Horizon Models ED-209 kit. All vinyl, 1/9 scale. And it was produced, like I said, from Horizon Models out of Los Angeles, California. Kit number HC011. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.